I started being a maker merely out of necessity. We needed a coffee table built, and I didn't want to spend $200, $300 on a coffee table. And so I took my circular saw, took my drill, went to Home Depot, bought, a bunch of lumber, and built myself a very terrible coffee table that lasted us quite a while. And then my wife wanted different colors, so we built another one. And then I built another one. And then it just kind of snowballed where people were asking me if I could build them one. And then from there, it kind of grew from a couple tools to having, a shop full of tools, and it hasn't stopped. At the end of a project, you get to see all this work that you've put in. So we wanted to build our entire area around Bullfrog Spa, from pouring the concrete to building the complete deck around it, which is a 2-layer deck, which is, so it can kind of showcase the spa, and then the pergola on top. There was a lot of planning that took place, a lot of time, but it was a fun project to get into. We built the spa oasis to last years, so as we're here, when my kids grow up, there's, out of all the houses they want to be at, they want to bring their friends to our house and not go over to other friends' houses. We want to be the place where my kids want to hang out. And we thought, a spa and building an entire area that you can hang out in the wintertime or summertime is a perfect start to that. So what stood out to us about Bullfrog Spas the most was just the jetpacks, being able to switch them in and out easily. We really liked that whole idea. So my favorite jetpack is the Spinal Health one. I love it because I like whether it's a hard day work where we're in the shop all day, or we're digging holes or sprinkler lines or whatever it is in our backyard, or if it's just a hard workout day where we either went for a run and I'm just sore, whatever it is, that one just seemed to give the most relief. Being able to sit in and actually feel like it is a massage, like you're in there and just your muscles loosening up. And I just always feel better after sitting in the Bullfrog Spa, and actually the Spinal Health seems to me to be my favorite. For us, we love our Bullfrog Spa because of how easy it is to maintain. They set you up charts, and the team goes through all the process of how to make sure that your spa is perfect, the water is clean, how to do all the filter stuff. So that makes life really easy to begin with. On top of that, we use it all the time, 3 to 4 times a week, whether it's with the kids or whether it's just by ourselves. The biggest thing that's changed is, instead of our kids wanting their tablet or wanting to watch TV right away, almost every day they ask to get into the spa. Yeah, let's go outside. Let's go spend time where they just talk to each other and make up games, rather than being in front of a screen. Just being able to disconnect from the internet world and just being able to talk to each other. We'll find ourselves actually having an engaged conversation. The ease of just being able to flip open the cover, getting in, and just disconnecting has been, it's been life-changing.